Microscope, again an optical instrument. It may be a simple microscope where we use a convex lens, and in the case of simple microscope, it is producing the magnification. It is given by 1 plus d by f, where f is a focal length of simple microscope single lens, d is the least distance or distant vision. Instead of that, if the two lenses are used, then it's called a compound microscope. And in the case of compound, we have a two lenses. One lens is near the object called objective, other lens is near the eye is called eyepiece. And therefore total magnification is a product of magnification produced by objective as well as eyepiece, and object is given by V0 by U0, and eyepiece, it is 1 plus d by f. It is a focal length of eyepiece, and this gives a magnification of a compound microscope.